is your equation, and then those are your ordered pair. And so what I'm going to do is replace the x and y with the ordered pair.
Are you tiptoeing?
I am. Are you filming?
That's what your equation looks like when you replace the x and the y. And I'm going to solve it.
So I'm just trying to restructure. Yeah. Restructure.
So as it turns out, the ordered pair does not
it does not solve. It does not work.
yeah.